my grandma, she used to get tan, but she'd go out like
Here we are going to Ocean
She
Beach.
didn't like try to.
Hello.
Got the thing going. My mom like hides from cameras.
So does mine.
Like the crowd.
I think it's a mom thing.
Here we go. It's Ocean Beach. Most exciting beach of all time. Let's see.
They rented us a moonwalk for Junior back.
Oh, we went in it!
I almost threw up because I like ate and drank a whole bunch of sodas.
Oh, that's horrible.
That's horrible.
They closed the restaurant. What, $17.99 for a hat?
We're going to pick up our package, Foxwoods.
At the place with the food and the crap. That was the little kid. There's Stan taking a picture of me, taking a picture of him under the Poland Spring sign thing. Such excitement.
Where do they have bread? Where do you see bread?
The bun stale, the burger's dry. Like you put a bunch of like dried up breadcrumbs and egg or something in it. I don't even know if it's beef. I don't even know.
It's scrambled beef.
It's probably turkey beef. I don't know what it is.
Ride of a lifetime.
We're here at Black something.
Is this thing open or?
We're at Black Bears.
Here, open the thing. Yeah, it's open. Let's go in.
Someone here.
Who cares? Nothing happens. Nothing needs to be run. What happens in here?
What's this thing?
What does it do? I can't see. Where are you, Stan?
I died.
Alright. Ah!
Yay!
I can't see! I just walked through some... where are we? It's wires all over the place.
I know, I hate it.
Stan, where are you?
I don't know where I'm going.
Can't see.
I hate loud noise.
Stan, how do we get out of here? Is there a way out? Oh, yeah, I can't see. That's a wall. Oh, I see where we're going. You idiot! You can go first.
Oh, great. I get Peru. Let's stick it here.
Yeah, really.
No, it's all right. When it's not my turn, someone else.
We can play again.
Yeah, we're not going to do the whole thing, I think.
Ronnie can, next time we go around, Ronnie can go.
Let's not get
How many times are we going?
I know. I mean,
Okay, no, you're fine this time.
that was good. What was that?
I'm not going to play for real.
3.
Got a time.
I know. Keep moving. Here we go. Good hit. All right, Ma, go next.
Oh, my back is itchy.
Go, Ma.
Where is it?
Underneath the White House.
Here we go. Oh, wow.
My back is itchy.
I'm going to take my second one. There you go.
It kind of hit
That's
something.
my two.
There's like a scorecard
Alright.
stuck in there.
Here we go. The paper roll.
I'm not don't eat
I'm
that.
not going to. I'm just in case.
Here we go.
Is that a cherry or a plum?
Bob, you hungry? You want to find out?
Stan, take the paper roll.
Don't eat that. They picked something off a tree, Richard. It could be poisonous.
I'm not gonna eat it.
It's some kind of a red berry.
All right, here we go, Stan. Take the paper. Take the paper roll out.
Holy crap!
You did a lot better than me. Look where I ended up. Right against the thing.
Paper roll.
Now, how do you do this? Just
Hit it.